A wise person once said, "Beautiful things never cry for attention." Think about a beautiful sunset scattering colorful hues we have no names for. Think about a rose blossoming with its deep red, blushing up towards busy onlookers. Think about a hummingbird and its magnificent color and flight movements. All these beautiful things in life, yet they are easily unnoticed as they do not cry for our attention. Often when we are old and are about to go the way of all the earth, we consider that which is most beautiful to us, our beloved children or grandchildren, our spouse, our parents, our memories of the good old days when life wasn't so fast. These all remind us that life is no less than contracts, deadlines, money, and things, but it is so much more. Negotiating this balance successfully is the result of being grounded. It may seem abstract, but the word grounded means to be well-balanced, sensible, or firm. Though the idea may seem simple, the practice is not. To sum it up in one word, to be grounded is to be present. Being present means to be in the moment, to focus only on what is happening in the here and now, to stop and gaze at the beautiful things in life. Jesus' life was a perfect example of how being present is fundamental to glorifying God and uplifting others. Even though he knew the cross was his end, he stayed present in every interaction along the way. Present when the mothers brought their children to him to be blessed. Present when the woman with the issue of blood shared 12 years of her struggle. Present when an everyday beggar born blind just wanted to see. How do we follow in Jesus' footsteps and stay grounded? I believe that this was the spirit of Jesus' remarks when he said, "Therefore, do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own." In other words, be present on this day in this moment. However, for many of us, this seems impossible. There are so many things to worry about. We have school, work, bills, children, pets, and many other day-to-day distractions. In addition, we can't help but pick up our phones every 10 minutes. And these advancements in technology introduce the temptation of multitasking. It is true that watching movies while folding laundry or listening to music while cooking helps these menial tasks pass with greater joy. However, when it comes to relationships, this can be devastatingly distancing. If someone is speaking to you, fight to be present. Resist the urge to think about how you're going to respond before they finish. This obsession with multitasking stems from our belief that if we are not overworking, then we are not working at all. We have been bewitched by the hustle. We have maximized efficiency in getting results, but failed miserably in the classroom of resting. We do not know how to rest, and some of us feel guilty for resting at all. But science states that we should rest every 15 minutes for every hour of work that we do. But rest isn't simply a great recommendation of science, but a requirement of God. He gave us the Sabbath day because he believed in rest and resetting the mind, body, and spirit before sin ever entered the world. Genesis chapter 2, verse 2 says, "By the seventh day, God had finished the work he had been doing. So, on the seventh day, he rested from all his work." But did God rest as someone weird? No, but as one satisfied and pleased with his created work. Yet, this example teaches us that God never made man to work without end and lose sight of eternity. And not only eternity, but all the beautiful things along the way to our eternal home. He gave us a day to practice gratitude. Being grateful has been shown to increase happiness. Try keeping a gratitude journal, or if you're not a writer, try making a list of things you're grateful for on that specific day. Gratitude is the secret weapon to being present. It washes away the clouds of worry and allows the bright rays of hope to shine upon us, even if for a moment, allowing us to be grounded, present in this eternal moment without one thought for tomorrow.